W1200 Able again, and okay, that was my brother. You wanna go see him? Come on. I'm going right to him. Say hello. Turn around.
I don't want to.
You're embarrassing me. Okay. No. Okay. That's my brother. He's very awkward. He's very awkward. He's very, very awkward. Very. Well, okay, I only have a little bit time left because my video camera can only take up to 5 minutes, so I'm going to show you my dog. Hope you like her. She's kind of cute, isn't she? You'll see her. Hold on. Say hello, Lulu. That's her. She's half American Bulldog, half English Bulldog.
No, that's not. She's fat. Full fat though.
Yes, and she's very, very fat. And I mean it. She's like the fattest dog I ever met. Well, I wish I could have more time to videotape this video, but thank you. Bye. Peace out, home dog. Peace out.